So now let's see how we can work around with material add-on inside of Blender. So Blender by default has a material add-on plugin, which if you enable, you get a lot of options. So if I were to select this object out right here, and if I were to go on its material option, you can see that this is what you have. If I were to scroll down right here, then you see that these are the options you have. But if you want to enable out the presets of materials, then you can go around into edit, you can go to preferences, and in the add-on section, you can scroll down right here, and here you will be able to see the material add-on right here. So let me just go around over here and then scroll down, and then here you can see that material library is an option. Once you enable this, what happens is that material library VFX gets enabled right here. And once you go around into material library VFX, you can go around into select a library and you can select out sample materials, as you can see. So you can scroll down right here and apply, let's say I'm going to apply ceramic. I can click on apply to selection and the material gets applied right here. You can change the viewport settings right here to see it in effect. It doesn't seem like much right here, but let me just go around into the chocolate right here. So apply to selection, and then that will be applied right here. So you can see that this is the chocolate swirl. As you can see right here, there's the material preset applied. And similarly, I'm going to go around and then create, let's say, for example, a torus right here. Let me just delete this and then smoothen this out. So save smooth. And now I'm going to apply a material right here. So I'm going to go around over here onto the material, just like this. I'm going to apply a new material over here. So I'm just going to go around, apply a new material right here. And here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and select metallic paint. I'm going to go around and then apply to the selection right here. And what happens is that you got the metallic paint right here. You got the texture and everything. And over here on the top, you can go around and select out, change out the options, as you can see, to change out the look of the effect as well. You can go around onto wood as well and then apply to selected right here. And there you go. You got the wood right here. You can change around the wood just like this over here. And then that is how it works. You can go around, change out the settings to get the effect you want. You can go around into soap bubbles, apply the effect right here, apply the soap bubbles. You can go for wire, as you can see right here. So similarly, go around and then apply different options, as you can see right here. It does take a bit of time to actually take effect right here, and this is what you have. So that is how you can work around with material add-on and then enable the plugin inside of Blender to get various material settings. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.